So, bali sa SMM Kakulop, November 14, 2025, ang nag-attend si Rafael and Jennifer. So, warehouse delivery every Monday. So, warehouse, what I request for inventory pero may mga new arrival, which is ang microfiber towel, face towel nga 30 by 30 cm, tapos ang microfiber gap nga hand towel. May damulpot nga stocks, tag 3,000 per item. So, didiha ads and promo or sa tricycle natin, may dakita active na 15 for installation is 12, which is an Christmas, about Christmas tarpaulin. Same sa streamer. Sa sticker, may active na 30 for installation 40, and sa curtain, may active na 15. So, sa treasury department, may customer complaint regarding kay production, na wrong spelling. So, kailangan lang din natin nag-double check before mag-production, especially ang spelling. Kaya ito nga namitingan sa SMM Kakulop, ato na to store. So, sa ipatuhan, production. So, sa HR, may upat kaadlaw no workshop regarding sa leadership training, bundling 2025, basic graphics, ads and promo, customer complaint, tapos t-shirt printing. Date range is November 17 to November 21. Sa website, may new design sa website, which is ang New Year page and planner. Tapos ROM, may mga save reply nga, may unom kabog o save reply nga nahimo bago. Regarding sa GE Parker pen 03, ball pen with light and scissor, ball pen with light silver sliver. Tapos GE236, TIT Parka jacket, and nail cutter with pen. So, very good. Wala kita hotspot yan na sana magpadayon. Tapos, and consumable and garments posting every Thursday na assign kay Jessa.